Hi everybody, today I have my February Glossybox video for you. I will confess, one item is not actually in the box. I apologise for that. It's not in the box because it's actually in my selling bag. I've actually listed it on a selling site. I've just listed loads of limited edition MAC, doors of colours, all kinds of stuff, some Urban Decay, all on my eBay account. If anybody's interested, then I can post the link somewhere in the information bar below if anybody wants to check it out. But I'm selling a lot of makeup at the moment. But yes, that's where that's gone, so I really apologise. But to be honest, this Storm palette from Sleek that is missing from the box, everybody's seen it. It's been out forever. It's been out for at least 8 years. I want to say 8 years because I feel like that's how long it's been. It's one of Sleek's very first palettes, to be fair. So I do, however, have my Sleek palette collection here that I will show you a couple of ones that I really love. I hope you'd be interested in that. I did used to have quite a few more, but I actually sold them on because I wasn't using them. Anyway, on with the box. I apologise, my hair is just, I don't know. I washed it and I've gone really fluffy. Yeah, because I brushed it out last night because I had some tangles and stuff, so I do apologise that I'm looking a little on the fluffy side. I am going to do a little conditioning treatment later on and that will solve all my problems, but for right now this is what we're working with. Anyway, on the box. The box is actually so pretty. I really like how totally neon it is. I mean, on the bottom it is this mad neon pink with these lips on. It's so pretty. I've just realised how literally neonly offensive this might be on camera. But the lid has got lipsticks, mouths, rainbows, hearts with wings, what look like lollipops I think, and some rainbows, and then it's got the insignia in the middle. It's a really, really pretty box. It's nice and busy. It's nice and bright. It's not sort of gushy romantic. It's pretty romantic. So I really like that. And then on the inside is the neon. I mean, literally, I don't even think it's shown up as neon on camera. This is super pink, bright neon. It hurts my eyes. So that's what that looks like. It's a really, really beautiful box. Inside, bright pink neon worms to offend your eyes a little more. But really, really so pretty. So that's what the box looks like, and you're thinking, Lisa, there's nothing in there. That's right, because everything has gone underneath. I say everything, there's not a massive amount in here because the palette's not in here. But those are the other 4 items. Right, first let me talk about something that I don't like that they've started to do is, here's what you could have had but you got some other tat instead card. I'm going to be brutally honest there. If you don't like honesty, then you're on the wrong channel. I'm going to be honest here. I'm not moaning, I'm not whinging, I'm telling the truth. This is a card that basically has on all of the items that you will receive. So you'll receive 5 of these items, including items that other people will receive. So on this card is a bunch of things. So I got 1, 2, 3... I think the other things on the other side, yeah, the polishers on the other side, and then that. So basically, for quickness, and really, obviously they don't want to have to individually put different cards into different boxes, they've decided to just put it all in one card. I really hope that they stop doing that. Don't like this at all, particularly because I got a box that I'm not happy with, and there's something on there that I'd much rather have. And my profile is very much filled out that way. And there's an item in here that I'm just not happy with at all, and I have complained to Glossybox about. So, yeah, I don't like this card. I don't want to know what I could have had. I don't even watch many Glossybox videos anymore because I don't want to know what I've missed out on, and essentially I just want to enjoy what I've got. And by having this card, it's like, oh, rubbing your nose in it, because believe me, I feel like my nose has been rubbed in it. And I will always say that you can't control this, and if you don't like receiving, there's lots of things that you don't like, there's certain colours you don't like, there's certain things that you don't like to wear, it's not really the box for you. I embrace the fact that there are things in this box that I don't like. There's 2 things, but I'll pass one on because, well, I'm going to sell one, but the other thing, we'll come to that, but I can't do anything about it, and I wouldn't give it to anybody the condition that it's in, so let's just say that. Anyway, let's get onto the box and just chatter about what's in the box, and we'll tackle things as they come up. So, don't like the new card. I get that it's easier for them, they just print off one card and everybody gets the same card, but I just, no, don't like it. And it caused a lot of confusion on their page because everybody was going, oh, there's 8 items on this card and I've only got 5. You only ever get 5. But I could see why the confusion would be there, because it's like, well, why? Anyway, enough ranting about that. Let's talk about the things. Okay, so one of the things, well, the featured product I always take has been on the front of the card. And the featured product is the Ciate nail polish. And it is a mini one this time. We have had full ones of this brand in this box before. But we've got a mini one this time, which is super cute. This is not actually an ordinary Ciate polish. It's actually a gelology polish, so a gel nail polish. This one's in the shade Mistress, which is a really quite nice red. I'm actually quite pleased with this colour because I do like red nail polish. That's quite nice. I'm going to put my glasses on for the remainder of this video. I'm going to just get a quick slurp of coffee. Could have done with a little sugar, but never mind. I'm very grateful. So the full size of this would retail for £9. Oh, they put the mini size on, so the mini size retails for £6. So really happy with that actually, really quite nice. And it's the Gelology and Paint Pots. Okay, so I don't know if there was 2 different types, but that's the one I got, and like I said, I am really happy with that. I'm going to talk about the item that I'm not happy with first. Right, okay, so this is the Icona Milano Emotion Allowed Mascara. I have definitely said on my profile or somewhere, and I've definitely complained about something in the past, about I don't wear waterproof mascaras. They pull my lashes out. Don't like them. Don't like removing them. Just don't like them. But my issue with this is that we've had this before. Considerable time ago, but we've had this mascara before. I don't want repeats in these boxes unless it's an absolutely amazing item. I don't want repeats. I think it's disgusting to put a repeat in. Oh, you've got a bunch of these left, so you're just going to give them to us again. The other thing is that it's kind of all, I don't know, there's something not right with it. I don't know if you can see it lying there, but it's literally just clumpy. It's clumpy. It's weird. And I would never put that on my lashes. And I've actually cleaned this brush off. When I first got it out, I cleaned the brush off and I was like, what is going on there? But the brush is literally just full of clumps of mascara. It's like, it's just, I don't know whether something happened to it. It wasn't sealed in any way. And I don't know whether something has gone wrong with it, but I would not put that on my lashes. It is all clumped together, and that is, I wouldn't even pass that on to anybody. So not at all happy with that mascara. That mascara is a full size. Let me find it. And it retails for £15. So no, I have complained about it because there's just no way. Even if I liked it, I wouldn't put it on my lashes, and I would never give it to somebody else because all those clumps, what a mess you're going to get into trying to use that mascara. I do think it's been sitting there since the last time they actually put that in a box. So I'm not happy about that. Right, okay, the next item is, we've had this brand before recently, is Steve Laurent. And let me find it. Let's see. Steve Laurent Nude Pop Lip Tint. This retails for £17 and it's a gorgeous creamy lip tint, cruelty free, hydrating and long lasting. Love the packaging. Packaging's really nice. And I think we had an eyeliner from Steve Laurent before. I mean, the packaging, look, it's just, it is beautiful. It's really nice. You can see it's a little bit of luxury. That's the colour I got, which I'm actually happy with. It's a nice peach shade. That's the colour. It feels nice and creamy. And yeah, it's nice. Doesn't blend out too quickly, so it's not one of those ones that's so greasy it will just come straight off your lips. So I'm actually really happy with this. I'm going to pop that in my handbag because it's not something I would use like sitting here putting my makeup on. I will choose a colour every time. A proper lipstick, a liquid lipstick. I wouldn't choose to put something like this on my lips. But this is nice to have in your bag just to pop on. It's a little bit of colour and it's going to give you that little bit of colour, but it's going to moisturise your lips as well. So I really like that item. I think it's a really nice item. Now, the Sleek palette was the Storm palette. It's okay, but I don't know. I got rid of mine, like I said, because I wasn't that into it. These are the ones that I've got left. The other ones I have sold on. But some of my favourites, to be honest, are... I really love this one. This is the Delmar 2. This has got some quite nice neutral shades in, but some great pops of colour, so that's why I appreciate that one. One of my favourites of all time, and it's super messy, is the Ultra Matte Dark. Just because there's so much that you can do with it. I love the Candy Collection one. I don't know if you can still get it, but it's got some amazing pops of colour in. And I mean, these shades are just great. When you look at pigmentation, that's what you get. That's a very Scooby-Doo combination, isn't it? They have gone up in price a little bit recently, I've noticed. But they're great palettes. They're really pigmented. There's very few and far between that will get a shade that's not particularly great. And I think that they listen to people and have improved their brand, because they used to put a black in every palette and then they stopped doing that. It's only every now and then. So I really recommend them. If you've got the Storm palette and you're happy with it, great. I had it. It wasn't really for me. And yeah, I definitely don't want a replacement. So yeah. I mean, I can't complain about that. It does say on here, sleek makeup, and that retails for £9. They were £7.99, they've gone up to £8.99. So that is a really good bargain if you haven't tried it before. They are excellent shadows, they're great, they blend beautifully, they wear really nice. So I highly recommend Sleek. Just apologise that I don't have mine here. My husband is asleep in the room where the bag is, and I don't really want to disturb him to get it. And the last thing in the item is the item that was the sneak peek. This is the Studio 10 Makeup Mist, which I'm really excited about. I love trying new makeup mists. Right, let me find it. It is, right, this mist instantly primes, refreshes and hydrates lackluster skin. It can also be used as a setting spray. Full size 26, travel size 14. This is 15ml. I think that this is probably a travel size one, so 14. Oh. It smells nice. Doesn't taste nice. I know you're not meant to taste it. I just accidentally stuck my tongue out at the wrong time. It's a bit of a violent mist, and there's quite big droplets in there. It's not a fine mist. But it does smell absolutely incredible. I'd like a perfume that smelled like that. And the packaging is so pretty. I mean, look at it. The lid's got like all this little detailing on, and it's a really nice little packaging. So I'm actually really happy to try that, because like I said, I really love makeup mists. So it takes it to about £52 value, which is really good. That serum was £64, and I'm just so annoyed I didn't get the serum, and not because of the price, but just because I love skincare. I love trying new skincare out. It is the Skin Chemist's London 24-hour Aqua Repair Facial Serum. Suitable for all skin types. Ingredients in this will infuse skin with vitamins and antioxidants to minimise redness and deliver deep hydration. I struggle with redness on my skin, really bad rosacea, and I do have spots as well, and they can be really red. So this would have been a fantastic serum for me to put on a morning before I put my makeup on. And I'm really disappointed, because I'm a skincare girl, and it's not the value of the item, it's just that just would have been a lot better for me. I mean, the eye cream I'm not so bothered about. I'm pretty sure the eye cream's been in before. I don't know. It looks like familiar packaging. The eye cream would have been okay as well, because it's skincare, but really it's the serum for me. I would have loved the serum. It would have just been really amazing for my skin. So not happy about that. And like I said, I have actually contacted Glossybox about the mascara. If you have received this, do let me know. Do you have the same problem? Is it sitting in little balls of mascara? It's just really horrible. Anyway, don't like the card. Not bothered about the fact that I already had the Sleek palette. I could have got one that I didn't have. Highly unlikely. I think I bought most of them in my time and I have sold some on. But I'm actually quite happy with the other things that are in the box. Other than that, it's a really nice coloured nail polish, really nice coloured lip thing, and a really nice facial mist. So these things definitely make up for the other thing, and that's what you've got to kind of think. You pay £10 for the box, and that's £6, that's 14, and what's that, 17? There's well the value of that box and then some in the items that I do like. And then I do keep other items to pass on or gift to other people, and I do sometimes occasionally put things up for sale. So overall, I think it's actually a really decent box. And yeah, I'm excited for next month. I do hope that they stop doing the cards like that, and I do hope they don't, I don't know, I'm not happy with the mascara and I don't want to rant about it. So I'm going to leave that today for you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, I can't get my words out now. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please continue to watch my videos and get my minutes up so that I can stay in the YouTube partner program. Fingers crossed, it's looking okay at the moment. I hope to make the target in time, but I thank everybody for the support in doing that and helping me do that by watching my videos on loop. That really, really means a lot and I do appreciate it. So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next one. Bye and happy Valentine's for tomorrow. See ya.